Hey guys, it's Stephanie from My Porch Prints, and I've got a little fun project for you today. We're going to be making these hidden note Christmas coffee cups, and they come with these little just cute little pieces, little decorative pieces that go in this pocket, and then they also come with this hidden note card. And I just thought that these were really cute and fun. You could use them on gifts or as tags or in your junk journal. So let's go ahead and put this together. So what I did was I printed it on cardstock, and then I just cut out all the pieces. And we're gonna go ahead and start with the cup part. And mine is still attached here, but you can cut it apart if that makes it easier for you to work with. But what we're gonna do is just glue these together, just like that. And we're gonna try to keep the glue as close to the outside of the cup as possible. And that will leave room inside for our hidden note. And you just want to glue around the outside, not in the inside. And I'm using FABRI-TAC glue. There we go. And if there's a little bit showing around your edges, you can trim that up once your glue is dry. And what you're going to do next is grab your scissors or your trimmer, and we're going to cut just along this line right here, right below this gray border. So just right here. Nice and straight, one cut, just like that. And then we're gonna wanna get this popped open just a little bit, so I'm gonna grab my bone folder. Just like this. And I'm gonna stick it up inside of here, if I can get this open. And just kind of open that up a little bit. And same thing with the cup. We're gonna open it up and just kind of make that easier to slide things in and out of. And what we're gonna do next is, whoops, we're gonna grab this notebook piece and we're gonna slide it up inside of here. Kind of like this. And we're gonna do just a quick little test to make sure everything fits together nicely. Make sure it's all straight. And that looks pretty good. So then I'm gonna pinch this and pull it out. And then I'm gonna go ahead and just slip some glue up inside of here to fasten this in. And while that's drying, we're gonna, oops, I got glue strings everywhere. We're gonna take this little pocket piece and attach it on the front of this. And I accidentally cut a little too much off when I cut this out, so it's not quite fitting here correctly, but it should line up really nicely for you. And we're gonna leave this top part open. We're just gonna add glue to the sides and the bottom. Again, keeping really close to the edge. And we should be pretty close to done. I'm gonna go ahead and just slide this back inside here. And again, if this isn't open enough, don't be afraid to take your full bone folder or your scissors or whatever you've got on hand and just kind of open that up a little bit. And then this should slide right in. I guess don't open it up too much or then it won't fit correctly. So don't pop it open too much, but just a little bit. And then you've got your little tuck here, your little decorative piece. And there you go. It's a cute little like tag. You could add it to gifts, like I said, or put it inside of a Christmas card, whatever you want to do to just use this in your Christmas crafting. So there we go, guys. Easy project. Thanks for watching.